5G-VINNI is a European research and innovation project that is building a large-scale, end-to-end 5G facility across Europe. This facility is a platform used by vertical industries such as healthcare and manufacturing to test use cases and validate 5G key performance indicators. In Norway, Telenor hosts the 5G-VINNI testing platform along with Ericsson, Nokia, and Huawei. Palo Alto supports on security, Keysight on testing tools, while Cisco provides the IoT data fabric. The 5G base stations use new frequencies, such as millimeter wave, which are positioned at Fornebu and across Norway. Our open, multi-vendor cloud platform hosts the 5G core networks and enables easy onboarding of customer applications. We have already implemented isolated 5G networks called slices, using both 5G standalone and non-standalone. These slices are being used in various ways by vertical industry partners. One such partner is the Norwegian Defense. The 5G-VINNI site in Riga is where we host the use cases for the Norwegian Defense, such as gunshot detection and drone control. 5G-VINNI has provisioned a dedicated slice for the Norwegian Defense. The Riga site consists of both C-band and millimeter wave 5G radios, along with satellite for backup transport connectivity. This site is also equipped with an edge data center.
We are excited to work with Telenor Research in the 5G-VINNI project, as this allows us to experiment with innovative technologies which are not available in the commercial networks, like 5G standalone and network slicing.
We are exploring with the Norwegian Defense how to gain instant situational awareness by applying machine learning on multiple video streams in the edge cloud. In the health sector, we have partnered with Oslo University Hospital as part of the 5G Heart project. We are looking into how low latency can enable the important tactile feedback for ultrasound when conducted remotely. We are also investigating how 5G can support high-volume remote diagnostics in the digestive system by connecting to a camera swallowed as a pill. The EU project 5G Solutions brings 5G-VINNI to Herøya Industrial Park, where we collaborate with Yara to test and explore smart port and other opportunities. We have covered the Yara port area with 5G standalone and started testing. Yara is eager to explore 5G technology to digitalize their processes, such as for autonomous straddle carriers. 5G-VINNI has enabled industrial partners to test how 5G can add value. This in turn creates and drives business opportunities for the 5G community and for Telenor.